Hello and welcome to Model Minutes. This is a quick review video of the Revell 1:112 scale X-Wing fighter from Star Wars. Inside the box you get a couple of sprues, including some clear parts, decals and instructions. I am aware that this comes as part of a starter set with paints, but mine did not, and it retailed for around about £5. The plastic parts come in a grey colour already, and as a result I decided not to paint the model an overall grey, but instead pick out the details. There are quite a lot of decals that need to be applied to this model, but they go on reasonably well and they are well printed. Ones I struggled with were on the R2d2 model, as they need to conform to the spherical nature of his head. But with some persuasion and some microset solution, they eventually did. This particular model is in the Red 5 paint scheme of Luke Skywalker's personal ship in the original Star Wars trilogy, but I imagine with some alteration to the decals you could get it to represent some other ship. The parts had very minimal flash and go together quite well. The wings are in the X position naturally, but there is a little lug that if you cut it and remove it from the plastic parts, you could then close the wings or open them if you so choose. This is quite an easy model to build, and in places glue might not even be required. One thing that I did find, however, was that a decal is provided for the canopy to represent the painted lines, but I found it didn't quite fit the shape of the canopy, so I decided to paint that instead. Why not let me know what you think of this build in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to leave a like, a comment and subscribe to find out when my next video goes live. See you all again next time.